Now, what is done in sclerotherapy? Let us see. This is a varicose vein. This is a varicose vein. Now, the drug solution is injected in the vein. Due to the effect of this drug solution, the wall of the vein swell and these walls fuse together and closes the vein. Now, this vein is now blocked. The blood now travels through other healthier vein. The blood travels through other healthier veins. After few weeks, these veins they dissolve or they merge in the local tissues and fades away within few weeks. So this treatment is called as the sclerotherapy. In vein stripping technique, suppose this is a varicose vein. This is the upper part of the vein and lower part of the vein. So two incision or two cuts. One cut is on the upper part of the vein, that is around the groin area. And the second cut may be around the calf or ankle area. So the second incision is made in this area. Now a thin flexible plastic wire is inserted into the vein. This is a thin flexible plastic wire. Now the vein is now attached to the plastic wire. The vein now attached to the plastic wire and the vein is pulled out from the body, from the lower part of the leg, from this part. So this process is called as vein stripping. In case of ambulatory phlebectomy, the hook is inserted into the varicose vein. After that, the vein is extracted and the vein is removed by using appropriate surgical devices. So this process is called as ambulatory phlebectomy. In case of laser surgery, concentrated laser light is focused into the vein. Energy of the laser light collapses the vein and stops the blood flow in the vein. The blocked vein now merges with the local tissues and fades away within few weeks. In case of endovenous ablation therapy, a catheter is inserted into the vein. A device at the top of the catheter releases the radio frequency energy or laser energy that heats up inside the vein and blocks the vein. The blocked vein now merges with the local tissues and fades away within few weeks.